Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna do a quick video of opening the new iPhone 11 Pro, the one with 3 cameras. So here we go. Got that out the way. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Yep. That's where you grab it from, actually. Here we go. The new iPhone. Looks beautiful. Let's see what else is in here. What? This thing is huge. It looks like the Fire Stick charger from Amazon. The new headphones. And then this is a new charger too. Yeah, here's a new iPhone. The 3 cameras, it just looks beautiful. This green color, this new colorway they have, just looks beautiful.